Hi everyone, welcome to new lesson. In this lesson we will draw a simple wall clock design. Let's get started. First of all, we must draw our clock's numbers. So it's very easy, not as complicated. Let's get started. First of all, I'm taking this ellipse tool and drawing a big circle here with the Control key and set the sizes here. Sorry, 300. Yeah, it's a good size for wall clock, and we must align the numbers here, but it's must be complicated. But this method, it's very easy. Select the 2-point line and draw a point holding down the Shift key and this point, drawing a line, and select the pick tool and click once the line and hold down this icon, hold down the Control key and rotate it, and click the mouse left button and release. Yeah. And again, taking this node, holding down to Control and rotate second times and copy. Again and copy. And hit the Control and R key 2 times. Our alignment base is ready. Group it and take this here or here. And I'm taking these 2 objects here. Select this and C and E keys for alignment. Yeah, our numbers places here. That's easy, very easy. And let's write our numbers. 20, a little bit bigger, select the font, sorry, and take this here, it's must be a little bigger, yeah, and holding down to center and align the edge here and right click, copy, double click and Control E and hit 1 and take this to the center to here and take this here, this edge, double click, Control E and 2 and taking the right position here. And all the numbers like this, and maybe a little bit here, and 4, and 5 here, double click, Control E and 5, maybe a little bit here. And take this here and 6. Yeah, that's cool. And then there's an easy way to make another side of the clock. Here, take this 5 from center, hold down the Shift key and slide it here. Copy. Sorry. Copy, and it must be 7, and same thing for 4. And take this, holding down Shift, double click at 8, and then take this 3 number, copy it and 9. Take this 2, double click and 10, You can make this here. Make a little bit edits on the numbers, but it's very easy. Taking this here, copy and 11. Maybe it's here. Yeah, my clock is ready, but you can align this numbers, select the numbers only, and Control G for group them, and click the one of numbers and holding down Shift, click our circle and C and E keys for the best replacing. Yeah, my clock, basic clock is here, and take the hold here because our mechanism must be here, and each size of mechanisms generally 9 millimeters, and take this here, holding down to Shift, select our big circle, C and E keys. Yeah, my basic clock is ready. You can use in any shapes, for example a circle, and it can be 1550. I'm sorry. Yeah, and you can use this in here. I'm selecting the round corners to 10 or a little bit bigger, and I'm taking this, copying it, select two objects, C and E keys, and select the numbers and make bigger. Yeah, that's very easy and very cool. Copying the whole here and holding down Shift and click, square, C and E keys. My other clock is ready. Making clocks is very easy. In this lesson finished, and this lesson is finished. See you in the next lesson with another complicated clock design. Bye bye. Hi everyone, welcome to new lesson. In this lesson we will draw another wall clock design. It's a little bit complicated design, but it's very easy to make. Let's get started. First of all, I'm taking this ellipse tool and drawing a circle, holding down to Control key, and set the sizes here. 300 is enough for me. And I'm taking this here. I'm taking the 2-point line tool here and click, hold, and holding down to Control key and release the mouse. Yeah, I'm taking this angle for setting the angle. I'm once click and taking this icon, hold down and holding down to Control key, double turn and right click and release, and hit the Control R key. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I created a angle ruler. Yeah, angle ruler here, and I'm group this. Control G or click this icon here and select the objects and C and E keys, and then I'm writing the numbers for our clock 20 and select the font here, Bahai. Yeah, I like the font, like this font. A little bit bigger, taking from center to this edge and release, and I fastly taking these numbers, double click and hit 1, taking this here and taking to the center to this edge, double click, Ctrl A and 2, taking this here and 3, double click, 3, maybe a little bit here and copy here. I'm copying the objects with the right click mouse and double click 4 and taking pick tool. I'm taking center to this edge and double click 5, maybe a little bit down, yeah, and here to 6 and take this, holding down to mouse and shift key, copy it, and 7, holding down to pick and taking this to here, holding down to shift key. Oh, I'm sorry, my mouse is going crazy, yeah, and 8. Oh, my 4 is gone. Yeah, taking this, right click and double click 8, maybe a little bit out the edge, yeah, and take this, copying here and 9 and 2, copying here and 10 and taking here and taking here, 11, and take this here, yeah, and then I'm taking the rulers to out of the watch and taking the numbers only, Ctrl G or grab it, Ctrl G and holding down shift and click the circle, C and E keys to alignment, and our base, clock's base is ready, and select the ellipse tool, hit the Ctrl key and hold down, set the sizes for 9mm and take the pick tool, holding down shift and click, C and E keys to alignment, yeah, and let's get some, edit this clock, maybe butterflies here. So I'm going to my Chrome and going to flat icon side and search the butterfly, yeah, and I'm waiting at all. I choose a simple, go ahead, simple butterfly, yeah, that's cool, I love it. So I'm downloading with the SVG format and free download, yeah, my insect or butterfly is here, and I'm taking this, drag and drop my CorelDRAW, yeah, that's very cool, but this object is not necessary for me. It's maybe broken in the laser cutting machine, so I delete this objects here, ungroup this object and taking the shape tool and delete these nodes, select nodes and delete it, and then click the line here and click convert to line, yeah, it's gone. Let's do same thing here, click once and click this, yeah, my butterfly is ready, but it's so big, so I'm shrinking this a little bit and turned a little bit and taking this here, but I don't want this one number here, so I ungroup all, click this one and delete it, and I'm taking this here and copied it, and I take this and holding down shift, select this and click the back minus front. Yeah, my butterflies is ready, and I'm taking this and select the outline, hairline and fill objects and copying it here, maybe a little bit smaller, and maybe here, and taking a one here, a little bit turned and a little bit bigger, and take this here, rotate it and a little bit. What if you want, you can use many butterflies or less butterflies, your choice. And I'm taking this here. This object is usable for this. You cut this object in laser cutting machine. This object is separately in your laser machine, so you can use this to here, but for now this must be here. And my new clock design is ready. You can cut this numbers here. For this you must taking this tool, rectangle tool, and draw a rectangle like this and set the sizes 1.5 or 2 millimeters, and taking this here, center of 0, and select two objects and hit the back minus front. So now you can cut this number, and you can use other numbers with the whole center of it. For example, 9, 8, 6, 4. Let's draw this and unlock the ratio, set the size 2, and I'm taking this here, center of whole this, and taking this here, and copy it here, and 6, copy it and replacing here, and copying here. I'm sorry. Taking these objects and click this tool, yeah, and taking this, click back minus front, yeah. My clock is ready. You can use any material on your laser cutting machine, wood or plexiglass. This is your choice, and see you in another lesson. Goodbye. Hi everyone, welcome to a new lesson. In this lesson we will draw another wall clock design. Let's get started. This is very easy to make and very good looking wall clock design. Let's get started. First of all, I'm taking the ellipse tool and drawing a circle, and in this time I set the sizes 200, 200, and I'm taking this here, and this clock is with the Rome numbers. For example, this, and taking our font, it's maybe a little bit bigger or smaller. Yeah, that's cool. 1, 2, 3, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 8, 9, 10, 11 and 20. Yeah, our numbers is ready. It's maybe a little bit smaller. Yeah, my ruler is here. I don't draw this again and again. It's ready, and you can draw this. How to draw these rulers, please watch my previous lessons. And I'm taking this here, click this and holding down shift, click this C and E keys, yeah, and then taking this center to here and a little bit on top of my circle, and taking this and click once and rotate it same as this line, and take this here and take a little bit on top of my circle and apply the same thing to other numbers. Yeah, I'm taking this here, a little bit on top, yeah, and one. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm so sorry. This is a big mistake. Taking this, one is here, yeah, a little bit, and taking two from the center here and rotate it, and then taking here, and 3 is here, rotate it, yeah, taking here, and 4, wow, this number is wrong, yeah, this is 4, yeah, I'm taking this, and taking here, taking here on the edge, a little bit, yes, 4, it's maybe here, but this is 4, maybe a little bit here, 3, 4, there's my 5, yeah, he's here, taking this here, and yeah, taking here, 5, and 6, here, taking this here, no necessary for rotating, 5, 7, I'm taking this here, 7, yeah, this number is very hard to replacing here, yeah, it's so big, yeah, That's enough. Maybe I shrink this a little bit. Yeah, that's cool. And I'm taking this here. Maybe setting to 7 for better replacing. Yeah. And 7, 8, and 9. Yes. 9, 10. I'm taking this here. 11. I'm taking this here. And finally 20. I'm taking this here. Yeah, my numbers is ready, and let's do some magic. Yes. I'm taking this circle and holding down this icon and holding down Control key or Shift key, I'm sorry. This circle must be on top of my numbers and copy it. Yeah, as you can see, the numbers, and I'm taking these two circle and combine it, and I'm selecting the all objects and weld it. Hairline fill. No, I'm sorry. Control Z. I'm taking all objects and yes, click the front menu back, and our base is ready. So you must draw another circle, but it's bigger than this. This is 243 or my 300, and taking this, holding down Shift and click. See any case, it's so big, so I'm shrink this like this. Yeah, I select it, combine it, and fill it. Yeah, this is our clock with Rome numbers. You can use any font. I want to choose that font, so you can change the appearance with the different fonts. And I'm taking this circle, drawing our mechanism hold. 9 is enough. Click this and click this, see any case. Yeah, my other wall clock is ready. I fill it to you can see. Yeah, this is very cool wall clock. See you in another lesson and another wall clock design. Goodbye. Hi everyone, welcome to my new lesson. In this lesson we will draw another and very good and amazing and gorgeous wall clock design. And this design is very easy to make too, and we can make this very fast and very quickly. Let's get started. First of all, I taking the ellipse tool again and again and again, and taking this. This time I draw a little bit small small thing here, and I'm taking this here, and I want to draw the mechanism hole here. I'm taking this, holding down Shift and click this, see any case. Yeah, my base is ready, and let's draw and let's write our numbers. My ruler line is here. You can draw this very quickly, and for this ruler's drawing, please watch my previous lessons. And I'm taking this tool. First of all, I'm taking the 23, 6 and 9 numbers to best alignment. I'm taking this font, I'm taking this and close up the numbers, maybe a little bit bigger. It's so big because it's here. I'm taking this, holding down the shift and click, and only C key. Yeah. I'm taking this, holding down the shift and taking this here. Yeah. And let's copying it, Control A, and I draw. Write the 3 and holding down the click this and holding down the shift and click this, and this time hit E keys and taking this, holding down the shift to here and click this again and holding down the shift, copy it here and double click. It must be 9. I'm taking this here and click this, holding down the shift and getting this here, double click, and this is 6. Yeah, I'm taking this here, and now I must write other numbers here. So I'm taking this, click and holding down shift, click this, C and E keys. Yeah, this is very cool. Maybe it's a little bit here. Yeah. And I'm taking this, copied here, double click and 1. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm taking this here and double click, Control A and hit 1. I'm taking this but a little bit shrink, take this here, a little bit turn, I'm taking this here. Yeah, it's very cool. 1. And then I copy, double click and 2, maybe rotate this time here a little bit down, maybe a little bit bigger, 1, 2, bigger, yeah, 2, 1, 2, 3, and let's draw 4, and rotate it and a little bit shrink it and take this here, 4, and copy, double click 5 and a little bit bigger, rotate it this time, and here a little bit rotate it to on top of other numbers. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Take this here a little bit here and a little bit more turn. Yeah, 7. Let's draw 8. Yeah, 8. It's maybe this time here, and yes, that fits perfectly here. And 8, 9, and we must draw 10. Copy another number 10 and a little bit down, taking this here a little bit, rotate it maybe a little bit smaller. yeah, 10, copy it, and 11. I'm take this here, a little bit, turn, yeah, and let's do some magic. I'm taking this ruler out of here and select all objects here and holding down to shift and select this outside and hit the well tool. Yeah, that's it. My other great wall clock design is ready. You can I hope you enjoy it. See you in another lesson. Goodbye.